Okay, so I cleaned up the room. Bro basically sleeps everywhere. On there, on top of this, under there, in there, everywhere. This thing is kinda bad now. Clean the table, put all the plates. A couple hours ago, it's full of plates. My parents went out to buy some stuff to go to Osaka with my sisters. And when they're at Osaka, the whole 5 days I'll have a tutor from my teacher, and other than that I have to be the man of the house. So yeah, right now the children are hungry and we're gonna make fried rice. So first we take this thing is very heavy. Now we like wash it a bit. I also did the laundry and took out the trash. The thing over here. And now to take the rice. Yesterday there was a cockroach, a small cockroach here. Now I don't know if my parents took the cockroach out or not. Okay, now to this big rice. Take 2 scoops of it. Do not be like Jamie Oliver, do not boil rice or do not cook it on the pan. I don't know if how much is enough for one small child that doesn't want to eat. I actually do not care if I eat or not. I just like to cook. Maybe is this enough? I think I need one more. When I was a kid, until like before I watched Uncle Roger in 2020, or was it 2021? I didn't even know that we have to wash our rice. I think this is enough. Yeah, I didn't even know that we have to wash our rice. This back in, we need lots of these things later. Right now, let me just take this thing off. Open the fan. After this, I'm gonna get it takes two, and I'm also going to look at scrub mommy. I'm also going to try to study. If that doesn't work, I'll do it early morning tomorrow. So wash this and close this. And you know this thing? This thing. You can drink water out of this. I need a tripod or something. I used to have a black tripod. That's one. Now you wash the rice. I think this thing is going to fall. You just wash the rice until all the starch come off. It's like pasta, but pasta you don't wash them because yeah, see all this white stuff. Not that white stuff, but basically pasta. So this you can drink this. Tasty, better than Kobe, some may say. So you see lots of these starch. I didn't even know if my parents gonna buy them food or not. I haven't asked. I'm just cooking it. So just wash it, then just keep rinsing and doing it over and over again. I don't have a place to put my phone, so yeah, I'll just gonna hear the sounds. Some rice falling off. Now you get this wet batch, and you still need to put more water to push it off. That's why this one needs to plant like this direction instead of the sink. See, now it's less starchy, but still have starch. And then I don't know why people eat bread, rice and stuff, even though carbs is what make people fat and not protein. People may think protein or oil or sugar, but we need sugar, we need oil. What we kinda don't need is carbs. Even though it's important, I think it's for something, but you need to eat it in moderation. See, you may think the starch, there's still lots of starch left. Also, I don't even know when my parents are coming home. You could use a colander like Jamie Oliver. Who wants to be like Jamie Oliver? Everyone. Uncle Roger just made a diss track of Jamie Oliver from Benny Blanco because he made his lamb curry song. Who could hate Uncle Roger? Even Gordon Ramsay fears Uncle Roger. Even Nick DiGiovanni respects Uncle Roger like a true uncle. Like, if you mess up Asian cooking, you're gonna get hunted by him. Even though Chef One is Singaporean but lives in Malaysia, and Uncle Roger is Malaysian but acts like a Singaporean, except he knows good food, and Singapore doesn't. You see, you still see the starch. Just keep rinsing it multiple times. Yeah, I'm wasting some of it, but I'm not going to use a colander. Do not be right. Asian cooking is the best. Yeah, I could say the Italians have good taste. I think Asian cooking are the best. America doesn't even have their own. Europeans are also good. Indians, good, but I don't like some of them. Even Arab, not all of them are good. Most of them are kind of strange and sweet. I like shawarma. So you see how this is now clearer now? See, it's clear now. It's not that starchy. I think this is enough of our rice. Even though if it's not dirty, it's just rice water. It's just paddy water. No, my father was raised in Asal Padi. He was from Kedah, Alusta, the capital. Oh yeah, I think this is enough. Now you do not want to have this much chef to, oh god, my mother is calling, need to fill water. Basically my mother called saying there's like pre-made lasagna, and then I said I was cooking rice, and apparently my mother said there's still leftover rice, so this is better, so I should just keep this somewhere else. So yeah, I'm just gonna use a colander for this and keep it stored somewhere. Maybe, yeah, in the middle of here. I'm gonna put a cloth over it. Yeah. Okay, so let's just get to cooking. First we have a, ow, I hit this thing. We have our rice, we need a pan. Where's our pan? Okay, we have our pan. This is new. Should we use the white people oil or the normal oil? More healthy, unhealthy? Let's just use authentic oil. I don't know how to open this. Do you do it? Do you do it like this? Is it this? This is put your oil. Make sure it's everywhere. Take out your this spatula. Just put it all over the place. Now take your garlic. Where is the garlic? Yeah, we have our garlic. Take it. How much garlic do I need? Usually I use one, but maybe let's use 2 cloves of garlic. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. I'll use. Yeah, I'll just use these 2. Peel them off. And you know this thing? This is apparently a cutting board. So you peel this off. I should turn my fan off. Garlic is kinda, some people say it's hard to peel, but for me, it's very easy-ish. I still remember cooking cereal, cooking this, that. My mother always taught me how to bake and how to cook some food. My grandmother also appeared on TV for a cooking show with Yana Samsudin called, I forgot what it's called. Something Brisu Asu, I forgot. Also, my friends also appeared on TV. That's pretty much. I don't think this is enough, but I'll just try. Now we get our giant butcher's knife. You see this butcher knife? I forgot what to do. It's got curiosity. I think we just break it and then chop it into pieces. Should I use this new one or should I use that old one? I'll just use this one. So basically, my mother is calling again. Okay, basically we can use this for chicken. Now to smash our garlic. I need 2 hands for this. Also, I need to do 1 garlic at a time. Now do you hear that pop? Do this one. Hear that pop, right? Now you just need to chop this off. My mother said there's a garlic presser, but I'm just going to use the old-fashioned way and chop these up. I only have 1 hand to do this. If I was Nick DiGiovanni, then I would easily done this blindfold. Here did it. I don't like onions, but I like garlic. If I cut my finger, this will be bloody fried rice. And someone would say bloody hell. I am cutting this very unevenly. And I'm not the person that use cookbooks or whatever, or recipes. You just, like Uncle One says, use feeling. Hey! Boop. Oh, my bad, forgot to pause. Because I don't like using the garlic presser because it's hard to wash even with a scrub daddy because it's small, it has tiny holes and stuff. Okay, I think this is enough. Now you take off these. Yeah, use your butcher knife. It's getting sticky. You open your fire. My hand is wet, so make sure the oil doesn't go everywhere. You open your fire. No, it's not there. Sometimes if you do it multiple times, you can smell the oil fumes out. So you just take this, you just put it in there. That's a bad idea. Do not copy what I'm doing right now. Uncle Roger will be mad seeing that. Then yeah, just scoop more inside. Need 2 hands. Oh, oops. Shoot. One of the garlic and the skin going in one place. when I was small, I thought that you only need like what? Couple, like 5 minutes to cook something up. But now I notice how hard it is. Oh, I almost dropped my phone again. So my phone has a giant crack, black spot from here. I can't see here, going to here, going to here, go down here, and also through here. So it's my blind spot when I play EAFC or something. So yeah, you just mix your garlic and make sure the garlic flavor, you know, the garlic fumes, you can feel it. My uncle one says just use feeling, so you don't need to measure anything. I need a spoon for that, and we do not have spoons. Never mind, we do have spoons. Yeah, you take a spoon, you take some of this. I also need to cut some of these. But how do I cut them? Do I just take them out and start chopping them? Let me try with one. This is the food that my brother brings home. Yeah, apparently this knife is very sharp. That's good. I like sharp things. See that? Fine cut thing. It's finely chopped. Just need a few more. The garlic. You smell. Also, this thing is for boiling pot or fire or something. So you make sure that thing is cooked. I forgot to take out some other stuff. I haven't memorized fully where things are. Can you see me? Oh yeah, you can. First we need our sauce tiram. We need our ketchup. Sauce tiram, where is it? So here we are now. Where's the Worcestershire sauce? Need that. Need salt and pepper. Yo, can you just stir the garlic? Close the door.
No one's gonna get in.
No, close the door. Oh yeah, I forgot about eggs. Let's just do that. We take this, put it over here. Chicken. Yeah, I think chicken goes next. We need to take lots of chicken. Chicken. Maybe some mushrooms.
Ew.
Mushrooms are not you. We'll just take some chickens and mushrooms. Yeah, you see this? Now we just have to chop it.
Kaya, are you also cooking?
Yeah, this. Chop it into fine, tiny sliced pieces. There's also mushroom in here. This looks disgusting, but yeah. Now we take all of this. Before that, let me just crack an egg. What the? And scramble egg. Yeah, perfectly broken eggs. Just scramble it. Do not. So break the eggs and you scramble it. These things you can put down there. Just shove it in. And then you can also use the blender thing. But next we're going to take this chicken and mushrooms and mix it with the eggs. That looks very yummy. Scrambled eggs. I just mix it all in. I haven't cooked fried rice in a while, so I might forget some things. But yeah, just mix it all in. It looks something like this. Now you add your rice into it. This rice is kind of clumpy, but just add all of your rice inside. I think we need more oil. Just mix it through. starts to look something like this. And now you put your sauces. You put your ketchup, or some Indonesians call it ketchup with an E. So like this. After putting your ketchup, you put your oyster sauce. That's enough. Usually I put sriracha, but we do not have sriracha or sauce chili. But yeah, just mix that up. Put more rice inside. You see that? Now we put our salt and pepper. Make sure you mix it all well. Pepper. You want paprika? Yeah, we'll put our paprika. It's gonna be more gooey-ish because of the chicken and stuff. But yeah, this thing was full. But yeah, it's basically like a mix of Chinese Cantonese fried rice, egg fried rice, plus other spices. It's kind of dark. It's paprika, it has salt, it has everything. I forgot about the green onions. That's an important part. Fried rice. I think you can close the heat. Because the chickens are already cooked, the eggs just needs to cook a bit. You do have green onions. Now you mix that. I'll take the green onions out. The green onion is probably in here. Is this a green onion? No. This is one. These green onions. I forgot how green onions look like. These are not green onions. What is it? Are these green onions? Are you sure? Yeah. I do not know if this is a green onion or not. They are not green onions. Taste it. Or is it? Okay, never mind. It is green onion. So now you have to chop these green onions. Just keep mixing that. I'm not even sure if these are green onions or not. It might be cilantro and we're putting cilantro instead of green onions. I don't think these are green onions. They're a bit longer.
I don't think.
Now mix the green onions. I'm not even sure if those are. This fried rice is a bit more mushy, but still can do. This says. It's actually, it's good. Yeah, so that's finished. Like, on the notification bell. Bye.